Today we're crafting a sparkling classic with a French 75. This elegant cocktail combines gin, freshly squeezed lemon juice, simple syrup, and sparkling wine for a drink that's light, crisp, and perfect for celebration or anytime you want to sip in style. Sometimes when my wife and I are out for a brunch date, these are fun to order because we always want to have a little bit of champagne or sparkling wine, but this is a way to really kick things up. So when mimosas don't cut it, the French 75 is always a classy alternative. I'm sure this will become a fun way to spice up your sparkling wine, so let me show you how to make it. Cheers. For this drink, you'll need gin, freshly squeezed lemon. I've already freshly squeezed mine and I use it in these little bottles. Simple syrup, some kind of sparkling wine or Prosecco. Brut is preferred, but I have a Prosecco, and lemon twist for garnish. And the tools you need for this drink are a shaker set, a long stirring spoon for gentle stirring in the glass, a strainer, and a peeler. Everything I use in my bar and in this drink are linked in the description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you need. Starting with the shaker set about half the way up with ice, you'll want to add your 1 ounce of gin. Next, you'll add 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And make sure to peel for garnish at the end. Now add 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. It's time to shake everything together for about 15 seconds. Then you'll strain it all into a champagne flute. Now you'll want to add roughly 3 ounces of sparkling wine. If you add more, it's no big deal. And gently mix it together in the glass with a stirring spoon. And the last thing you'll need to do with that lemon peel you saved from earlier is express the oils over the drink and place it onto the glass like so. And there you have it, the very sparkling and very elegant French 75. Cheers. It is refreshing. And if this is your first time trying the French 75, I really hope this broadens your horizon of what you can do with sparkling wine. And I definitely want to know in the comments, do you love this? Do you hate it? Are you going to make it again? And on that note, if you enjoy this channel and more importantly, enjoy making delicious cocktails like this, please hit that subscribe button as I put out new videos each week. And in the comments, let me know what drinks I should make next and I'll try to get those out in future videos. But till next time, cheers.